The topic for today is use and acceptability of third-party network meta-analysis tools in conducting reviews among Cochrane authors. Network meta-analysis is a powerful statistical technique used in systematic reviews to compare multiple treatments and interventions. However, the usability and acceptability of these third-party NMA tools and software among the authors in Cochrane reviews have not been fully explored. So the objective of this study is this question-based survey investigated the usability and acceptability of third-party network meta-analysis tools and softwares among the authors in Cochrane reviews. This survey was provided as Google Form link via email to Cochrane authors available on RG databases. There were 476 respondents who completed the survey. The set of the questions of 13 questions were used for this survey, and a qualitative analysis was performed with the collected data and were represented as percentages. To our findings, we found that most of the authors used data. Around 56.14% respondents were using Stata, 17.4% were using NetMeta Excel, 11.76% were using R software, 9.34% were using SAS, 8.19% were using GMTC, and others like JAGS and other softwares were absolutely nil. We found that a significant proportion of Cochrane authors, approximately 60.15%, had utilized third-party NMA softwares for that network meta-analysis in the review process, and found out that 55.34% of the authors use these network meta-analysis tools because of their advanced statistical modeling capabilities. 64.44% of the respondents reported that the tools were user-friendly and made their analysis very effectively. About the satisfaction, the Cochrane authors had expressed a high satisfaction with usability of these third-party NMA tools. However, in case of the adaptability, they found that the additional features which were not present in the Cochrane proprietary software, so they were not be able to adapt to the RefMan. Few found the cost of the software high. There was a steep learning curve which was associated with learning all these third-party meta-analysis softwares, and also the standardization of the charts were also couldn't met. Few authors demanded that they needed help of the statistician, and the adaptability to the RefMan software were very weak. So the challenges of the authors faced by the authors were, authors reported several challenges like data compatibility issues with the Cochrane data format, the need for additional training and support, and difficulties in exporting results back to the Cochrane review format. Some authors mentioned limitations such as steep learning curve associated with using these new tools and compatibility issues with other software platforms. So the takeaway point of my post is strengthening the integration between Cochrane RefMan web software and the third-party meta-analysis tools, coupled with improved training, resources, and standardized data formats,